Chapter 3. Vector Addition, Velocity of a Boat. Mark the location of the blocks. Time the motion for 5 seconds and mark the location of the blocks again. Connect these marks with an arrow which represents the velocity of the river water. Mark the bow of the boat and time the motion for 5 seconds. Again, mark the bow. Draw an arrow between the marks. This arrow represents the velocity of the boat plus the velocity of the river. The proper addition of this arrow and the previous arrow yields an arrow that represents the boat's velocity as if it were in still water. The boat heads downstream. Use a time interval of 5 seconds. Analyze it as you did the previous segment. The boat heads across the stream and drifts downward. Mark the bow and time for 5 seconds. Mark the bow again. A vector between the marks represents the velocity of the boat plus river. Subtract the river velocity to obtain the boat's velocity in still water. The boat heads upstream at an angle, but moves directly across stream. Analyze this segment as you did in the previous scene. Find the velocity of the boat as if it were in still water. How constant was the throttle setting of the boat in the 4 segments?